Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a large, wild mammal known for its intelligence and memory, often human-friendly when domesticated. It can be found in various regions, primarily in Africa and Asia, inhabiting savannas, forests, and grasslands. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as elephant, elephant, font, elephant. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about elephants, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.